Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a cool DIY project. Perfect for those chilly days, a reusable electric hand warmer. This project is super simple, uses common materials, and is a fun way to understand a bit about how electricity works. So, what do you need? First, you'll need some steel wool. Make sure it's the fine, unsoaped kind. Next, a 9-volt battery. You'll also need a small metal tin, and Altoids tin works perfectly. Lastly, you'll need a few short pieces of wire, like from an old USB cable or similar. And of course, safety first, so have some gloves handy. The concept behind this hand warmer is all about short circuiting. Now, before you get worried, we're doing this in a very controlled and safe way. When you connect a wire across the positive and negative terminals of a battery, you create a short circuit. This causes a rapid flow of electrons, which generates heat. We're going to use the steel wool as a safe way to create this short circuit inside our tin. Let's get building. First, put on your gloves. They're important to protect your hands. Take a generous amount of steel wool and stuff it into your metal tin. Make sure it's packed in there fairly tightly. The steel wool acts as our heating element and helps to distribute the heat. Now, take your battery and attach one of the wires to the positive terminal. Secure it well. Take another wire and attach it to the negative terminal of the battery. Also, secure it properly. Now, carefully and quickly, touch the other ends of the wires to the steel wool inside the tin. You should almost immediately feel the tin starting to warm up. The steel wool is acting like a bridge, completing the circuit and generating heat. Be careful, though it can get quite warm, but it should not get red hot. If it does, you may have too much current running through, so you may want to use less steel wool. The temperature should stay at a comfortable warmth, so you can safely hold the tin in your hands. And there you have it. A simple, effective, and reusable electric hand warmer. You can use this on a cold day, on the slopes, or while you're waiting for the bus. The steam rising on a cold day? That's the magic of a warm tin. Remember to handle the hand warmer with care and never leave it unattended. While it's heating up, always make sure the battery is disconnected when you're not using it. Keep the tin closed to retain the heat longer, and enjoy the warmth. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cool DIY projects. Let me know in the comments if you try this at home and how it works out for you. Thanks for watching, and stay warm.